How to fix Nexus mods not working. So if you want to fix your Nexus mods not working, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your browser. On your browser, you need to search for Nexus mods and then go with the first website, which is www.nexusmods.com. Once you're here, you need to go with the top left, which has that permissions section. Now here you need to go with cookies and site data and then go with manage. And here you need to delete all of the site data. After deleting, go with done and restart your page or refresh your page. After refreshing, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then the next solution is go with your three dots, which will be in the top right, and then you'll find the history option. You need to click on history, click on open history page. Here you need to go and search for Nexus. Select these all, and then just simply go and delete. After deleting, again refresh and your problem might be fixed. The next thing you need to do is search for date and time settings. Under this, make sure that you've set the time zone automatically and also you've set the time automatically. After that, again go with your Chrome browser and then you can go with the three dots, which will be in the top right, and here you may have incognito window. You can go with your incognito and use your Nexus mod on your incognito, and that might fix your problem. That's it. These were the few solutions, and if you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.